On today's video, I am going to show you all how to change issues from one epic to another epic. It's the same technique too if you want to change this on all of the stories from one future to another future. In this case, the stories we're going to be moving is going to be all of the stories in the product backlog. Currently, the epic that's attached to the stories, it's called Learn Scrum. So I'm going to change it from Learn Scrum to Online Shopping Epic. I've already created that epic. So before you do these changes first, you first need to create the epic you want to change it or a future. And then you come to JIRA, or if you have ADO thing. And then you come to JIRA and then you make that change. Welcome back to Aisha Scrum. I'm very happy to have you join my platform. For my current subscriber and my new subscribers, I welcome you all. And if you're interested in mentorship, do not hesitate to email me at admin@aishascrumtech.com. All right, so to go into it now, so the first thing you have to do is first of all, know the epic or the future you want to move those stories to. And then the next thing now is know those stories that you want to move from one epic to another. And now go to issues. If it's in JIRA, you go to issues. You click on issues, then it can take us to the basic JQL view. And sometimes to at work, you might have to click on view all issues for you to get this view, the JQL view. In case you just click issue and it did not show you, you will have to click at the top that view all issues. And when you click on that, it's going to give you this JQL view. And if it also gives you the advanced JQL, just click to basic. Quick to basic, then you can have this basic JQL view. And by the way, to bulk change, that's what we're going to be doing because we're going to be changing a lot of issues. I know for some, you have to be an admin to be able to do bulk change, which in this case, that's what we're doing, is changing multiple stories at once because we don't want to do this one story at a time, right? That would take so much time. So in this case, the goal is to choose one and move it on. So now that we're in the right space, the next thing I have to do is basically go under the more icon and select the drop down arrow. Then I'll search for what I want. In this case, since I'm changing the parents, which is epic, epic is seen as parents over story, right? So I just want to move the parents. So I'm going to select parents. And if it's not showing in your board, just search it. Because if you search parents, it also shows up. Then you check box on that. So then JIRA will highlight it. And if you notice, it will automatically start highlighting all of the parents you have in your project, then you can search the one you want. In this case, I want to search Learn Scrum because that's the one I want. Learn Scrum, which is all the way down here. So I can only bring up only those issues from that parent, which is the epic. Right now, I have all this issue in my project. So I just want to pull out all the stories under Learn Scrum Epic. So then I click on that. So then it's going to narrow it down only to those issues, which is exactly what I want. So now I have the narrowed story. So all the stories I have in here are under the parent of Learn Scrum, like I showed you all in the beginning. And then I have the Aisha Scrum project, the Learn Scrum Parent Epic, and these are all the stories and tasks I have on that Learn Scrum. So now I want to change all of this from this epic to another epic. And to do that, I have to click the three dots on the top, click on that, then go to bulk, change all its issues. Depending on how many stories you have attached to that epic, all of those are going to show you here. So then you will know, right? So then I click on that, so it's going to load. So now that I have all loaded, I have all the 8 issues that I've selected, and I have to come here and click on the checkbox because I want all of them. And I checkbox all of that. Then I hit next. So then I go to edit issues. That's what I want to do. Then I hit next. So I want to go on the parent because that's what I want to do. I want to change the parent. So then I click on change parent. Then I select here. You can search for this. I want to put it in online shopping. So I'm moving it from Learn Scrum to online shopping. Then I click on that to ensure that it chooses the right parent that I want. Then I go back and I hit next. So then JIRA is telling me that I'm changing the parent change to this AIS 3, which is I'm moving it from Learn Scrum to online shopping. So right now it's saying Learn Scrum, but after I do the bulk change and I go back to the home page, you're going to notice the difference. So then I hit confirm, which is exactly what I want. Then we're going to make the change in here. Yeah, it's loading. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer, depending on how large the issues are. But mine was so quick, so I hit done. So then it's made the change, and for me to check, I just have to come to the parent and search online shopping. So click on that. So ta-da! It's made the change. So now I have all the 8 issues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have all the issues back to online shopping. Went from Lens Scrum to now online shopping. And I can go back to my backlog view and refresh my board. So you all saw that, right? So it actually moved it from Lens Scrum Epic. So now online shopping Epic. So that's the change. That's how simple to change from bulk move one epic or future. You can do the same thing too for future. You can do the same thing too if it's like a objective. So you can do that bulk move. Basically anything from a parent, one parent to another parent. You can definitely do bulk change. But sometimes we know we have a lot of stories under that. If you're interested in mentorship, do not hesitate to email me at admin@aishascrumtech.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this valuable, please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it all. Thank you all. See you again in my next video.